She died.
Oh my God, but you can see it?
Standing next to my window.
Oh, you're scaring me.
You scare me too sometimes.
Okay?
Ghosts.
You see ghosts, Cole?
Yes. Grandma says hi. She says she's sorry for taking the bumblebee pendant. She wanted me to tell you.
Cole, please
She wanted me to tell you she saw you dance. She said when you were little, you and her had a fight right before your dance recital. You thought she didn't come to see you dance. She did. You came to the place where they buried her. Asked her a question. She said every day. What did you ask?
Do I make